everybody, welcome back to GLR. I am G, that is my Torchic bobblehead and I love him. He's rather cool. Check him out. Look. Simple things for simple minds, huh? This video is going to be a very straightforward one. I decided for this particular picture that I would drop down the scale. I wasn't going to go A3, I dropped it down to an A4 size, and I decided to use just two colours in this drawing of coating. The colours that I chose were green and blue, and I decided to use tones of green and tones of blue to help give the picture some depth. And I've not done one of these before, so I figured why not dive in, have a go and see what I can do with it. So without further ado, have a watch and I will see you guys just after. So there we go, a much smaller piece than my usual sized offerings, but it's kind of cool. I kind of look at it, it's a little bit more dynamic, it's a little bit more striking. And blending the Promarkers in, getting those blues to sort of bleed together a bit more, it's really, really enjoyable, and it came out quite well. So this one took a little bit of time, not in as much as just sitting down and doing the drawing, but I'd done a few prep drawings beforehand. So I've done my little tiny one, and then I lifted it up again to this one, and then I finally done that one. So I've got 3 of these little beauts that I did, which helped sort of shape how I wanted to approach using those Promarkers for the final piece. And there you go. So I really enjoyed it, and I hope you found it interesting, and I hope you find it quite enjoyable as well. If you did, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe, help boost my numbers. Share the video with everyone you know, and also hit the like button, because you know YouTube likes that as well, and so do I. But until the next time, stay safe, stay clean, stay happy, and get in contact if you have any other ideas about things you want to see Kotu doing. Keep it clean,